like to read you a story today, and it's with Murphy, and it's called Murphy Goes to the Beach. What do you think, Murphy? Will we go to the beach? Okay, let's have a look. Murphy likes to explore. Where should Murphy go? Murphy has never gone to the beach before. Murphy gets ready to leave. He gets his hat, he gets his bucket and spade. Make sure you wear sunscreen, Sally said. And the kids wave goodbye to Murphy. Oh, what an adventure, Murph. What an adventure. Let's have a look at what happens. Murphy arrives at the beach. The sand is soft and warm and the sky is clear. But Murphy steps on something crunchy. Is it a piece of plastic? Yes. What's this rubbish doing here? And there's another piece of rubbish. And another. And another. Oh my goodness. Where did all this rubbish come from? Murphy asks. He looks around. And in the water he sees a dolphin. Who are you? Says Murphy. My name is Turner, answers the dolphin. Nice to meet you, Turner, Murphy says. Do you know where this plastic came from? Turner explains that some people forget to throw away their rubbish properly, and it makes the beach all dirty. One of Turner's friends swims over. Her name is Hindley. Turner, come quickly. Our friend Sandy is in trouble, says Hindley. Wonder what's happened. Better find out. Let's go help, Murphy says, and Murphy runs with the dolphins. Their friend Sandy is caught in a net. What can Murphy do? Murphy grabs the net with his mouth. Turner and Hindley grab it with their flippers. Hooray! They pull the net off Sandy. Well done. The beach used to be so beautiful, says Turner. I do wish people would pick up their rubbish, says Hindley. What can we do? Murphy asks. Murphy has an idea. Murphy wants to clean up the beach, but he needs help. So Murphy gets back to school, and Sally's at the front gate. What are you doing here? She says. We need to clean up the beach, Murphy says. There's too much rubbish. We can help, says Sally. I know all about rubbish and recycling because we talked about it at school. Sally asks the other kids if they want to help. Everybody wants to go to the beach. We should recycle all the plastic, Murphy says. We can use these nets to create our new sports uniform, Sally says. The beach looks so clean now. Thank you, Murphy, the dolphins say. And that's the end of Murphy's adventure at the beach. Good boy. Good boy.